This is part 2 of a 2-part meditation practice. If you have not already listened to part 1, I encourage you to. Welcome to Coached by Nikki Dyer. Both faith and fear demand you believe in something you cannot see. So we begin here by closing down your eyes as you center your mind and your heart with 3 deep and slow breath cycles. Taking a deep breath in here, holding at the top, and release. Breathing even deeper on your next inhale, feeling the intensity of expansion, and release. Remaining empty as you pause. And inhale with another brief hold. And exhale as you let the body soften and center. Your heartbeat is steady. Your mind is open. And you are ready to begin. Take a moment here to notice the natural rhythm of the body breathing. It is effortless. There is an internal knowing that there is always another breath. You live your life knowing air is unlimited for you. Without a single fear or worry it's about to run out. We recenter here as you quietly take the next 5 minutes to create vivid mental images or scenes in your mind's eye, to see your manifestation as happening, with no detail too big or too small. Take a deep breath in here, holding at the top, and release as you repeat after me out loud. This is already happening. If I can see it, I can create it. My talents and abilities will get me there. New and exciting opportunities are coming. All the pieces are moving into place. I am a magnet for wealth and success. It's all happening. Take a deep, slow breath in here, holding, and exhale as I remind you to have what you want, you must do. If you'd love a garden, plant and tend to the seeds and soil. Together, we take a final deep breath in here. And exhale. Fall in love with your goals. Think about them all the time. Become absolutely obsessed with them. I welcome your mind here back into your body, becoming aware of where you were before we began. And when you feel ready, open your eyes. This magical little practice gives you clarity and guidance with every listen. And I know this for certain because I use this practice every day in my own life. So I encourage you to keep practicing until it is. If you enjoyed this meditation, please subscribe and share it with someone you love. I release a new meditation every Wednesday.